NBG Logistics Alliance and its Mexican affiliate provide logistics support like warehouse management, distribution services, and customs compliance and clearance assistance at its locations in San Diego and Calexico, California. On July 31st, 2024, the U.S. Labor Department slapped the company with a preliminary injunction and court order forbidding NBG from threatening or retaliating against its workers and interfering with an ongoing federal investigation. When Wage and Hour Division investigators showed up at NBG on April 30th of this year, the company stashed workers for hours at a local fast food restaurant until investigators left. The company then sent employees to work across the border at the company's Mexicali location and confiscated their work cell phones before firing them and deleting any proof of their employment. The injunction follows an investigation into alleged violations of the Fair Labor Standards Act. NBG Logistics allegedly paid workers at California warehouses in pesos through its Mexican affiliate. The workers would cross the border daily to work at NBG's California warehouses. OSHA's regional solicitor called the cover-up despicable, and the injunction is designed to prevent NBG from retaliating against employees who they think may have spoken to a labor investigator, interfering or preventing any employee from cooperating with an investigation, contacting or threatening to contact an employee's family or friends, and destroying evidence. NBG must also restore all data, messages, and programs deleted from computers and cell phones that contain evidence related to the investigation. The injunction is part of an ongoing effort to root out abusive labor practices in the customs warehouse industry. In previous investigations, the Department of Labor recovered some $840,000 for 32 employees, some of whom one employer paid less than $3 per hour.